We want to give back to the community. We want to come in and provide lunch for the staff of a local business that's doing great things in the community. And today we're going to Premier Vet. So let's bring up some food, okay? So we're actually here at Premier Vet, is that right, ladies? Yeah. Well, we were gonna set it up for them over here, but they're actually, Dr. Josh Cope's in the middle of surgery. So if you have a dog or a cat or a tarantula and you need it serviced and taken care of, come out to Premier Vet Care in Rowlett. They're doing amazing things. Josh is a good friend of mine, and just from one small business to another, just saying thank you and feeding the staff. Thank you guys. So we just got done catering for Josh Cope. He was in the middle of surgery, but I think the staff is gonna love it. Again, a small thing that we wanna do for local businesses here in Rowlett, giving back and being a part of the community. Have a great day.